So what I will take, I will drag and drop one data flow task, done. So in this I will take the OLEDB source. In the OLEDB source, I will take AdventureWorks database. I will take a table which has a many number of records. Department, I think it has only few records. So I will go and see something like state provisions. Okay, I will not see the state provisions. I will just take something sales or something. Product inventory or something. Let's see. Yeah, you got more number of records. Okay, close. Columns, done. So you might be knowing lottery system, right? What lottery system does? Out of thousands of records, it will select only one record. Randomly select only one record, right? The same way in the SSIS also you can do. You can ask the system to select only one record. So now what I will do? I will drag and drop one OLEDB destination, or I will drag and drop one flat file destination. Okay. I will connect to this, click on the flat file destination, new. I will name it as something like percentage and row, PR, browse, PR. I am giving as PR and I will store the file, done. I will want the columns in the first data row, columns, advanced, okay, done. Okay. Now I will go to the mappings, okay, done. Now what I will do? So in between them, so when I run this package, I will get how many records I have in the source. That all records I will be getting, I will be loading into the destination, right? See, now when I run, I will check whether other okay, everything is disabled. This is only one enabled, right? So now I will run. So what happens? Whatever the data I have in source, I will be getting all the records into the destination. See. I got 1069, so I got 1069 into the destination. Now see here, but out of 1069, I want to select only one record randomly. So how to select means, so I need to select any one record. So lottery system, they will not select based on the your thing, right? Randomly they will select any one of the record, that's it, right? Any one lottery number, ticket number. The same way in the SQL server, if you want to do anything like that, in the other transformation you will have one called sorry, it is down, right? There is a one thing called row sampling. Drag and drop the row sampling transformation, give the input. Now click on the row sampling. See, number of rows, I will just give one row. Okay, done. Now I will connect it to the destination. Okay, selected output. That one row will be in the selected, rest other rows will be the unselected. Okay, selected output. Click OK. Now I will connect. So what I will do? I will create a data view area to view the data. Now I will run the package. See, I will get all the records into the row sampling. Okay. After that, it will randomly pick only one record and it will send as a output. See, it randomly selected only one record. Are you able to see? I got 1069, but it selected only one record. So today I got one record as not. We'll see something with this one, because you can't remember this right, row GUID. So we can see some modified date, 2008 98 89, right? Okay, done. 898 is a modified date, 2008 9th month 8th date, 898. Stop it. Now I'll again rerun. See, 8 9 11. So you got different record now. Okay, you can see this. What is this? Product ID is 433, right? I am closing. Now you will be getting the different product ID now. See, so every time it will check the different record. It randomly select one record out of all the records. See, I got 520 as different product ID. Okay, are you able to get my point? ఎప్పుడు వాడాలి మీరు కానీ చెప్పలేము సినారియోస్. సపోజ్ లాటరీ సిస్టమ్ లాగా ఏమైనా చేస్తున్నాను అనుకో, మీ దాంట్లో ఏమన్నా ఇలా ప్రతిరోజు ఎవరికో ఒకరికి అంటే డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఫేస్బుక్ లెవెల్ కన్నా మీకు లాటరీ సిస్టంలో ఎవరికొకరికి అంటే ఏమన్నా రాఫెల్ అవి నడుస్తుంటాయి కదా, సిస్టమ్ డస్ అంటే అలా 1 రికార్డ్ కానీ 2 రికార్డ్ కానీ తీసుకోండి. బేసిక్ ఎప్పుడు ఉండదు. మీరు దీంట్లో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్లో నేను చెప్తాను ఏవి ఎక్కువ వాడతారో దాన్ని కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తే చాలు. మిగతా ఐడియా ఉంటే చాలు మీకు అంతే. ఓకే, సో దిస్ is row sampling. So I am done with the row sampling. The same way you will have percentage sampling. That row sampling will done one row, right? Percentage means I can give the percentage. So I want 10% records. Okay, or else I'll give 1%. Okay, done. Then I'll select only the selected records here. You can even rename that output. See, sample selected output, you get the sample selected output. If I rename to only sample selected, then your output also will change only sample selected. See, okay. So now I give 1%. So it will more or less it will get nearly like out of 1016 records, 1016 records, right? So I have given only 1%. So around like you will be getting 10, right? Around like 10 to 12 records you will getting. Sometimes it will take randomly, it will take 13% also. 13 to 14 records it gives, depends on the scenario. Okay, sorry, I didn't, yeah, it given only 6 records. See, even though I have given 1%, right, it will not take exactly that 1%, it will give nearly to that, that's it. Don't expect to like it will give only that percent. See, when I give like 2, then you will be getting between 2 and 1%, or more than 1 and less than 3. That's the percent you will get when I give 2. More than 1% means more than 10 records or 11 records, and less than 33 records. I am expecting that one. Let's see. See 25 records. Okay, so it's a kind of between 1 and like less than 2 and get like similar to that, not exactly the same number of records. Okay, like percentage sampling, if you give 2%, right, so it will not give the same 2 percentage. Means out of 169, what is the 2% means? 20, 12, sorry, 20 and 6, 7, around like yeah, 7. Oh, sorry, 20, yeah, less than 21, 20.6, right? So you should get around 20 records, but it will not give 20 records. It will give like 1 and 3, right? So this is a scenario. I'm thinking because I never find.
I think it will be around 21 and 22.
Yeah, if I give 1%, right, then what it will do? It will take 0 to 1% and 1 to 2%. So it whatever the records you have from 0 to 1, you will be getting that all records. So out of 1069, 0% is 0 records, 1% is 10 records. Okay, let's take 1000. I assume it as 1000 records. So 2% means 20 records. So if I take 1%, I may get anywhere between 1 to 20. If I take 2%, then 3% is 30, right? So anyway, I may get records between 10 to 30. Okay, but it's not exactly the same thing. So that's why I have never seen the people who is using this. Let's see with the 3 again. So mostly 3 means it should be more less than like 20 to 40, right? Something 22 to 44 or something around that way, not 42, 21 to 40, yeah, 42 or something, it should be there. See, right?
Why is that way? I mean, it can strictly say 2% as the 20 and 3% as the.
Yeah, it will never do. Oh, sorry, so 2%, right? 2%. Oh, we took the 3%. Yeah, 3% means 34 only, right? 33 or something. Okay. Yeah, it's showing the same thing. So it will not say the exact count. I don't know. I have seen, but actually they said, but it will not say it. I don't know how it is going to calculate. Is it going to calculate based on the size or not? I am not sure. Actually, they say that you should do the percentage, but because it will not. If the I have observed that. Even though if you get, it will get somewhat near to that exact match. It will not get the same number of records.
It should be 32.07, but it gives 34.
34. see, but when we took the 1%, it has given only 6 records, right?
Yeah, it should more be more.
Yeah, so based on multiple executions, I found that it will give anywhere between the 1 and 3 if you take 2. Okay, mostly it will give sometimes near to that, but sometimes it may give over, but it will not exceed the next percent.
Okay.
Okay, this is for the row sampling, sorry, percentage sampling. And one more thing you need to remember, in the data flow task, this is one flow, right? In a single data flow task, I can even load one more flow also. Don't think that for single data flow task I can use only one flow. No, you can load another flow in the same data flow task. I can use one more OLEDB source. Okay, are you able to get my point?
Yeah.
Like whatever you want you can do, and I can load it here, one more flow also in the same single data flow task. I can do that. Don't assume that one data flow task is meant for only one flow. You can one flow of data, one flow, right? I can load multiple, I can create multiple data source and destinations in a single data flow task. Okay, hello? Yeah,
Okay.
don't get confused, but most people I have seen, because I'll not cover this, right, sometimes. So the people what they think, like, because no one knows, right? So if you want to create the same other thing, they'll create one more data flow task and they'll do that way. If they want to load some simple data, in that case what is happening, first this one will run, then this one will run. If we have both side by side, both will execute parallelly. Okay, hello? Yeah, anyway I'm going to show this constraints also, what is meant by these connections. You will be calling it as a precedence constraints. I am going to explain this later on. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'll stop this video.